Well, welcome everybody to the ADU class. I am Colorado Paul Wells, and here from the western slope of Colorado on the west side of the Rocky Mountains. It is early in 2021, and we are going to talk ADUs, accessory dwelling units. They are an incredibly strong movement towards getting forced appreciation of the properties you own or that you're going to own. It's going to allow you to use OLU, which is optimal land utilization, and it will help you out in getting everything you can out of the property you own. Obviously, everybody knows that real estate prices are exploding. They're stratospheric right now. Lumber prices are exploding. They're stratospheric right now. Material prices, so everything seems to be going up, and which is really surprising after the COVID that we went through, et cetera. But it is what it is. And so ADUs are going to be a fantastic way to optimize what properties you own or what properties you're going to own in the upcoming time. So today we're going to talk about what is an ADU. We're going to talk about the history of ADUs. We're going to talk about what problems are solved with an ADU. We're going to talk about why you should build an ADU. We're going to talk about uses for an ADU. We're going to talk about types of ADUs, show you how ADUs build wealth. We're going to talk about planning an ADU, the cost of an ADU, the financing of an ADU, the ROI of an ADU. All of this stuff is going to be super important to what you're planning on doing. It's going to help you break down whether this is for you or not. So why should you listen to me? Who's this guy that I met on Clubhouse, I found on Instagram? What the hell does he know about building an ADU? Well, I'll tell you what, quite a bit. I built my first ADU in 1990 in Encinitas, California. Went in, found this house, had a nice double garage in the backyard of this house. I said, shit, that looks like it ought to be a pretty good apartment. So I built an apartment back there, 1-bedroom apartment. And I lived in it for a couple years while I traveled. I worked for Tony Robbins for 3 years. And so while I traveled, I could lock and leave that back unit and go out on the road and work, come back, and there was my place there. And I was renting out the front house. So it made perfect sense to me. I've been a full-time ADU builder since 2012. I'm going to give you some evidence that I, along with a buddy of mine, are the co-founders of the National ADU Association. And we educate, advocate, and are trying to build a community around ADUs. Currently, we're getting a lot of traction, and the traction in the ADU space is really good. So there's a lot of traction when it comes to ADUs. I've been a full-time real estate investor since 2001. I've been investing in real estate for over 30 years. What I have not done for 30 years is make YouTube videos. So I promise you, the production value will go up, but the content is spot on. I know ADUs, I know accessory dwelling units. I will teach you how to build one. I will teach you all the things you need to know about it. So stay tuned, join me, subscribe below, hit that subscribe button so you know when they're coming up, and go to aduclass.com and sign up there for continuing videos, and you will get more and more information about ADUs. Anyway, I congratulate you on your journey, your interest in accessory dwelling units. I'm Colorado Paul. I'm going to shut this thing down, and you'll get your next training video very soon. All right, later.